Hope you all having a good day. Well, now let's get into the video now. Really quick, okay. So, let's start making our commands. So, to make our commands, we want to go, to explore, we want to add something to service script service. Oops, I accidentally moved the microphone. So, add a script to service script service. Oh, wait, give me a moment. Okay, so, whoops, sorry, okay. Add the print hello world. Remove the print hello world. Now let's start coding. So okay, so you can set a prefix. So there's no really need to do so anyway, but you can. So let's go slash. We can go question mark actually. That's actually cool. So we can do maybe question mark C to make it unique or something. And then next thing we're gonna do is game.plays dot player added connect function, open and close brackets, inside that bracket, and this is an argument, by the way. This is player. We're gonna put in player. Next thing, so how well we know if the player has chatted? So luckily we have an event called chatted, player chatted, so it's chatted connect function. And then I'm pretty sure one of the, I think this is the text, right? Let me check again. Chatted. So let me just read this real quick. Yeah, okay, I'm correct. Okay, so this is right here is the message. Sorry guys, that I haven't used this in a while. So yeah. Now one more thing we need to do is, just in case, sometimes the players can tend to type the command like a little bit wrong, like this C, and then it's like capital, and we won't get anything from it. So let's do this. Message equals, well, no, we'll just call it new message. And then it's gonna be string dot lower dot message. This puts or forces all the letters in the message to be lowercase. Just make sure this is also lowercase as well, okay? And then we're gonna go and wait, no, local and new message string dot split. Wait, no, that's split. Whoops. So okay, so in the I'll separate is new message, and well, no, I'll separate is this. So choose what your separator will be. I think the best separator is 0. Is spacebar. Okay. Now the next thing we want to do is, well, this returns a table. So if message 1 is equal to prefix, then we'll that will work, and we got a command. Now the next thing we want to do is, well, since we got a command, we let's rename this to commands, and let's add a module script. This is my way of doing things, so it's a little bit neat. So commands. Well, no, let's cmds, and then now let's start. Okay. So if new message is new message 2, well, if new message 2, yeah, okay, yeah, if new message 2 is equal to wait, what do I do? Okay, one more thing. right up here, so I am just getting a little bit disorganized. Okay, is require. We're gonna have to require this module and script.cmds, which stands for commands. And then in cmds, we're going to put on new message 2, and then else we're gonna do this. So we're gonna add a warning. So invalid command. You don't have to be so formal. You can just, but yeah. Now the next thing we want to do is, well, cmds and that. Now, what if there were more arguments? Well, we can just put in NMSs, the new message here. This looks very syntactical. I'm sorry. Okay, so we'll put the player here. I'm gonna put the player here and the new message. Okay, that will work. Actually, I think it's better if we do player.character or both. I think player is better. So now we've done the main thing. The next thing we're gonna have to do is actually make a command. So in module, you're gonna have to type in module, and to create a new command, you're gonna have to name it. And this will be the name of the command, by the way. So let's call it let's do this WS, or we can just call it walk speed. Actually, let's just call it speed function. Now there's already one mistake. Do not make this capital. I will keep saying it again. Never make this capital. Never make any of the names. Now, I will say how this will work. So, in our prefix, if we say in the chat, we go like this, C, and then this, and then we say speed, this function will fire or be called, which is what we want. So, and the next thing we're gonna do is player and ms message. This is getting a little bit long, but sorry. Okay, now let's make our speed script. We can go player.character vector and humanoid dot walk speed equal to ms3, since like the third one will be a random number. But I'm not sure if you can see, but there's a problem. This is a string, by the way. What we will get in ms3 is just going to be a string. It's not going to be an actual integer. One way to fix it is if ms string dot actually we'll just do if ms then end if ms string, wait, is it, oh, what is it, I forgot it, string, oh, it's to number, yes, to number, and within these brackets we're gonna put on ms, and one more thing, we're obviously gonna have to do this. And just in case, if the player didn't decide to add a, we're just gonna warn them, no, no input, missing an input. And then we can go here and then say, we can go say invalid argument. Invalid argument. And then we can go colon. You may this. Yeah, okay, actually, this is fine. Invalid argument. You can even give a hint to what's wrong, like maybe you maybe have put in a number. You need to put a number. Need to put a number. Invalid argument. You maybe need to put a number. You need to put a number. Okay. Wait. Okay. So it turns out there was a mistake. It's a pretty small mistake. Right here. Just remove this. I didn't mean to put that there. But yes, that's like so wrong. I'm sorry. Yeah. If any of you actually caught that mistake, thanks. You're really smart. Let's test. Alright, I did a little bit of testing, but now it works. Okay, let's actually show you what it looks like. So, let's do this. So, we go see which was our prefix, and then what was the name of the command? Speed. Now we actually don't have to worry about, what is capital, because we actually, fixed that problem using, string.lower. So we fixed that one issue. Now we can put on a number. Let's put on an let's put on a dangerous number. I'm Sonic now. I mean the Flash. Well, actually, which one is better, the Flash or Sonic? Okay. Let's try to purposefully make a error, or let's say we accidentally spelled it wrong. Let's see, sped 12. Invalid command because it means it didn't exist. That it's not a real command. We can actually do something to make it a little bit. It looks very hard to understand. So we can add colon. This command does not exist. Yeah, we can do that, and then it'd be a little bit more obvious. Yeah. So it just tells us, okay. We can do that if you can do that if you want to, as long as it makes it easier for you to understand the error. Okay, now let's try to get an error with the walk speed, right? With speed, the numbers. Let's try to put on. You know what? Let's put on my username. Killer X. Invalid argument. You need to put a number. Well, look, that actually worked. It looks actually really good though. They're very good. So yeah. One more thing before I go, I want to become the Flash. So 3, 2, 1. Whoa. Okay, this is not fast enough. This is not fast enough for your girlfriend. Okay. No, not fast enough. But, oh, okay. Actually, yeah, it is. Okay, bye-bye, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video.